Hello friends, welcome again. And this is the new project of fake new detection system using machine learning. I have developed this project using the Python and using the machine learning algorithms. So the main concept for developing this project is to detect the news is fake or real, right? Using the data set available on the Kaggle, right? So this doesn't check it online, right? Because we have not added the APIs. All of the APIs are charged, so we predicted it using the data set, right? All of the data set you can get over the Kaggle and many of the GitHub repositories, right? So now, or also, so normally if you search this project on internet, then what you will get, right? You will get the Jupyter notebook where you enter all of the text, and after that uh, or the CLI version where you will put the text and it will show the news is fake or not. So normally we converted that Jupyter notebook or the CLI version of the project over the using the web interface. Right here we created the proper web interface and added created a models files, right? And using those model files we are predicting the news is fake or real, right? So let's start with the features, go through the technology stacks we have used for developing this project. So this is a web interface developed using the latest Django version 5, and the Python version is 3.12, and MySQL version is also 8, right? So these technologies we have used for developing this project. This is a web application, so HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery library also we have used for developing this project. You can see this is the home page, right? There is nothing dynamic on it, but giving project a good effect, I have created a home page here. This is about, right? If you check, so this is again a static page, there is nothing dynamic on it, right? This is a static page, and if you want to add some information here, you can add easily, right? This is system information, that is the main part, that what libraries, what are the things we have used for developing this project. So this the Python version is 3.10, but currently I have updated my Python, that is 3.12. ML model scikit-learn, and the Django version is 5. MySQL, these are all of the libraries what I have used. Other libraries, NLTK for tokenizer, stopwords, temp Sen, we have used NLTK library, and the scikit-learn, pandas and numpy, scipy, joblib, and the HTML and CSS and JavaScript, right? So this is the login page, and this is you can see the database driven login page where user will enter the user ID and password, and after that it will check using the database information, right? And it will say that login ID is correct or not. This is a contact us page where this is a static contact us page, there is nothing dynamic on it, all things are static, we are not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So once I log in, you will get this dashboard, right? So these are the menu only, right? So you can jump on the menu on clicking on this links, right? Again, these menus are available also on the header bar. You can see these are the header bar, right? And these all details are available here too, right? So you can see these all details are available here, right? So let me show you some of the history. So this is the prediction history. So it will show all of the history what we have checked earlier, right? So we are managing this history through the MySQL database, right? All of these you can see the history we are fetching from MySQL database, right? So you can see this is the fake, real, right? If you click on this, it will show after analyzing that will not be the email, that is build the news we got, the email is fake, right? That is the right again. So if you this one, this is real, right? Okay, check news. So here you can input any of the news content, and after that the model will invoked and it will check the news is fake or real. This is a data set information. You can see, so we have not, because the data size is more than 50 MB, right? So we have not showing all of the records here, but we are showing only the some samples, 100 from fake news, 100 from you can see the real news, right? So you can see here, so total you can see there are 220 pages, right? And you can check all of the news here on which we have trained our models, right? So this is the check. Normally let's see, check some of the news, right? I am picking some of the news from here, right? This one is the fake news, and then I am check news, right? And this one copy paste. So here I have entered all of the news here, right? And once I click on the analyze news, right, it is saying that this is fake, right? Because because our system checked the genuinity of the news from a data set, right? And after checking it, it analyzed that this is the fake news, right? Because there is no genuinity, right? Though no and newspaper published it, right? So that's why it's a fake, right? So this is all of the projects what we have developed, right? And again, if you want to change the password, just put the user and new password and the change password, and that will be changed here, right? And then the logout, right? Once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to see this menu. You can see menus is not displaying here, right? So these all things I have developed inside this project, right? So let me go through the file structure here. So these all are the file structure here. This is assets, right? Data sets, you can see these are the two data set, fake and true, right? And this is a fake news. This is all of the database settings. You can see this is the database settings here, right? And then if you check on the model, so analytical data, so this we have downloaded on the local system. This is our all are the pickle file we trained, right? This is the requirements.txt, and templates, these are the templates, right? So these all things we have developed inside this project, right? So this is the best project for learning the machine learning for detecting the fake news, right? So if you need in more enhanced feature, known more extra features, or if you want to update this project according to your requirements, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate it. We will make this project more futuristic according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.